Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mod Reviewers. Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Play Store on the Xiaomi Mi 12 Pro. Without further ado, let's begin. So the first thing is go to the cat apps. Agree. Let's skip. Okay, over here we shall type Google. Sorry, let me change to English. Google Play. Okay, you saw this? Google Play. Let me bring up a little bit nearer. Google Play. Up. There. Okay, it's installing right now. So let's open. So just to double confirm, the Play Store is here right now. So let me sign in and take a look. So the Google Play Store installation is just like a click away. I would say less than a minute, maybe 10 seconds. Okay, let me sign in to my account and take a look. Turn on backup, agree, accept. Okay, so this is the Google Play Store. Let me take a look and see if we can download Netflix. It's not over here, so you got to use the pure APK or from other website to download. So let's take a look as well. Over here, the setting, device is certified. So again, you do not need to worry about your contact, your synchronization, everything. Okay, because it works perfectly like a global ROM, except that you are unable to search for Netflix in the Play Store for now. Let's take a look at other things like maybe Disney Plus. Okay, Disney Plus is over here. The only thing that they do not have is the Netflix. So basically, that's all for today. Thank you very much and hope that the Google Play Store will let your Mi 12 Pro have a wonderful experience with the GMS. Thank you.